Chey, congratulations to Mathias na ndị otu ya. Ihe mere m ji asị gị congratulations bụ na ihe dị mma na-adị m mma. Ihe ọbụla bụ ezigbo ihe mmadụ omenala Igbo anya, ọ na-atọ m ụtọ. Mathias na ndị otu ya achọghị imepe Omenala Healing Hospital na Ogidi Anambra State. Ihe a bụ news from Mathias page direct. When did agbakwana speed? Ka m gụọlụ gị post Mathias make one day ago. Mathias wee kwuo, please, we need a good experienced doctors and nurses, including a registered nurse that will work in our Omenala Healing Hospital and maternity, Ogidi Anambra State. Please, if you are applying, you must have the same ideology with us, which is facing your work squarely without applying anything religious to any patient. We are employing you to practice what you study in school and not as a prayer warriors. Any patient we cannot handle, the case should be immediately referred to the appropriate hospital that can handle the case to avoid losing of life. We don't need our faith. We don't need your faith or prayer on such patient because you were not taught about faith to the sick ones in your classroom. Our doctors and nurses must have manner to any patient because a sick person is a painful person. And we also need a driver for ambulance. So if you are interested to work with us, please write us on this WhatsApp. Congratulations. Yeah, basically. Mathias, ihe bụ ikwesịrị na-preach, ihe bụ ikwesịrị na-eme. Ọ bụghị ịdị na-agbagharị from pillar to post oge niile, Jesus this, Jesus that, Christianity this, Christianity that. All the ya ikwesịrị na-eme. Because a lot of Christians have been doing it. So many churches today nwere hospital. So many churches today nwere company, nwere factory, ebe fa na-eme ndị mmadụ employ. So nke ime na abụrụ the first time a na-eme ya. It's a good thing. But this should not be the reason why you ga-eji wee kpọrọ church on all the time. Na try to create division na Igbo or hatred among us. First of all, in a far mile all this world, Christianity is evil, Christianity is that. Mathias and gị na ndị otu gị, are you guys aware that now these nurses and doctors in our church now were all product of Christianity? Are you guys aware? Ịpụta na ị na-achọzi qualified doctors and qualified nurses, abi? Eche m ikwesịrị na-achọ qualified herbalist. Eche m ya ka ikwesịrị na-achọ. Kedu isi kisi chọbaja driver ga nyalga ambulance? Ịmakwa na ambulance a, makwa na moto na-ekwu okwu ya, no, fancha bụ part of Western civilization a na-ekwu okwu ya. Ị na-preach na Christianity bụ scam, na church dị evil, na education. Afọ ma ụgwọ video mfuli me before isi na school na-agụ na Nigeria bụ wasting of time and money. No, useless, not useless. Afọ mbosi kwuru that must me that mbosi watch video gị ikwu that thing. Today now, ị na-achọzi doctors and nurses bụkwa product of that same education, is not useless. If not, yeah, this is the exact confusion na-ekwu maka ya. You are looking for the doctors and nurses. Are you not aware that that same doctor, they went to the school? Some of them are product of missionary schools. Some of them bụ ndị gụchalụ school ọ bụ no ndị ọcha wete. Those schools anyị na-ekwu ị na-aga today bụ school ndị Christian missionaries wetela anyị. Our people na-aga school before. Ọ bụ na isi anyị na-aga school, gwa m ofu school ịma anyị nwe n'ala Igbo before ndị ọcha wee bịa. Gwa m ofu hospital enwe n'ala Igbo tupu Christian missionaries ewebata n'ala Igbo anya. Gwa m ofu, ana m eche gị. Today na Elugo hospital ọ na-atọ gị ụtọ. But malụkwa mmadụ na ihe niile abụkwa. Kudos to the Christian missionaries. Eche m ikwesị chọpụta another, eche m gị na ndị otu gị ebe na-eti mkpu, we are going back to the root. Eche m na-ekwesị gị discover another means a ga-esi na-agwọ ndị mmadụ ọya na-abụghọ hospital, na-abụghọ doctor, na-abụghọ nurses. Because you are still following and still making use of ihe ndị ọcha wete. You are still making use of ihe ndị ọcha butere anya ụka wetelu. And the same you saying that Christianity should go. Oh, church should now go and they should leave what they brought behind. Is that what you are telling us? If you are saying that they reject go in Georgia, they reject go their education, they reject go their ideology, they reject go their schools, they reject go uniform, that means you have to do away with everything that they brought to you, and then you have to now start inventing your own. You have to go in the herbalist. You have to go there. Obama ndị buying na use oge gboo. Eche m ikwesịrị na-achọ onye ga-anyalụ gị ụgbọ amala. eche m kwesịrị na-achọ qualified dibịa mkpọrọgwụ na mkpa akwụkwọ. Eche m ya ka kwesịrị na-achọ gosi na go back to the root true gosi that na that education ọcha wete bụ scam according to news wee kwuo, gosi na that hospital bụ scam. But here you are also, you go to the same hospital, and funny enough now, all the same medical facilities in Georgia local, we are gonna use that hospital. If you go, the same pattern Georgia they use, they make one package called now. So this is to show you that na Georgia have a problem. This is to show you that now Christianity is not our problem. We are the problem of ourselves. Anyone name more wine? Oh, Fundocha Butulanya Oka. Come be able to line the first hospital in Igbo. First school in Nigeria today, some of their schools are still operating to date. Most of these qualified nurses and doctors in Achon now, people kachakwa Madonna, people kachakwa all these missionary schools. They are the one you are looking for now. In a qualified driver. Ndị banye ananya moto before ndị ọcha wee na Igbo. Anyị nwere moto, ananya moto. Ya ba aja na ajụ onwe gị. So imagine ihe ndị na-preach na social media most of the times, you know, overdo ya. Sometimes you know about speed too much. The same thing you criticize now, that is what you are now asking us to look for you now. If I was here,